Hey everybody, this is Adam here with CMI Lip Rippers. Out here again on Tully Lake. It's looking pretty nice out there. Fog's just kind of starting to blow off. I can see lots and lots of stuff on top of the water, so hoping this morning's going to be a good topwater morning. Hopefully for something other than pickerel, which is a normal. But gonna get the yak out here and do some fishing. See you in a bit. Third cast this morning. Ooh, baby. Said it's gonna be a topwater morning. I wasn't lying. First bass of the day. Look at that. That's a nice looking fish there. I'll go ahead and release this one. About 15 incher. Fat little gut on him. All right, bud. On to the next one. All right, got my first pickerel of the morning. There it is. So far, bass and a pickerel today. All right, there he goes. On to the next one. GoPro, stop recording. Fish on, got another bass. He's not a monster, but I'll take him. Second bass, third fish in the morning. All right, there he goes, he's gone. GoPro, stop recording. Got me another bass on the top water. Out here just smashing this thing today. There we go. Nothing major. Not a bad little fish. Got a fat little gut on him. Alright, we'll let him go and get another one. GoPro, stop recording. So I decided to pull out the old jigging pole for shits and gigs. Look at this fat guy I just got. He's not a bad little sonny right there. Get him off the hook and let him go. Using just a little bitty jigger. Alright, let's get another one. Another nice little sunny on the jig. Not a bad guy. Get him off here and let him go. See what else I can get. Got me another little bass here. Some jig. Nothing major, but this right here is why we call ourselves the CMI Lip Rippers. Poor guy. Done took a whole chunk right out of him. Get him out of here. GoPro, stop recording. Another decent pickerel. This guy barely gave me a chance to respond. Came right up off the side of the boat. Got me a little crappie. Yeah, first one of the piece all year. Here you go. Got another perch on the old jiggy. His head's all tore up. He must have been hit by one of the pickerel in there. Little guy. He's gone. Another fat sunny on the jig pole. Bass seem to be inactive, so I started chasing these little suckers and perch. He's gone. So I'm back to the boat launch. Another good day on Tully Lake. I think I caught like, I don't know, 10, 15 fish. I ended up fishing for panfish and perch and stuff towards the end. Bass stopped biting once it got hot, so gotta find something to keep you busy. I'll caught some pretty decent ones. But that's about it for today. Alright, thanks guys.